Meaning of fondly.
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 Fondly. Fondly is an adverb that describes an action or feeling done with affection, tenderness, or warmth. It typically connotes a sense of nostalgia or sentimentality towards someone or something. For example, saying "I fondly remember my childhood" implies that the speaker retains a warm and positive emotional connection to memories of their youth. Similarly, "She smiled fondly at her son as he slept" suggests a loving and protective attitude towards the child. Overall, fondly portrays a gentle and caring sentiment towards people, memories, or experiences.